If you're looking for cute, comfortable, and convenient student living in Chicago, Woodlawn Terrace is the place to be. Stunning studios, en-suites, and non-en-suites are designed for you to get a spacious walk-in closet, to organize your outfits for everyday ease, and an in-unit dishwasher that will be your bestie when it comes to doing the dishes. Skip those time-consuming laundromat runs, as laundry facilities are available on-site. Feel free to bring your bike along, there's secure parking for it to rest. And don't forget your furry friends, because pets are welcome here. This ideal location places you close to unis, like University of Chicago and Illinois College of Optometry, so all it takes is a quick drive to reach class on time. With the Woodlawn and Hyde Park Boulevard bus stop just a sweet stroll away, exploring the city will be effortless. You can also get a train at 47th Green Line Station and explore the city, so don't wait. Come to Woodlawn Terrace in Chicago by booking your room via amberstudent.com now.